I used to think all cleansers left my skin feeling tight and dry until I found this one. This is the Bioderma Atoderm Cleansing Oil, a total game changer, especially if you have sensitive skin. It's gentle, nourishing, and feels incredibly luxurious. As soon as you start massaging it onto damp skin, it transforms into this silky, light foam that effortlessly melts away makeup and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. After rinsing, there's no dryness, just calm, clean, and beautifully soft skin. It provides 24-hour comfort, leaving my face feeling hydrated and looking radiant. It has become the most essential first step in my skincare routine. It's simple, effective, and dermatologist-proved. If you're looking for that perfect, gentle cleanse, try the Bioderma Atoderm Cleansing Oil. Your skin will absolutely thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my skincare favorites.